We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 7x12 white enclosed trailer with Blackout package. This does come with 2 foot of the Stone Guard ATP on the front that is black. Comes with a jack, coupler, and safety chains. This is made of white polycore siding. This is a single axle trailer. Comes with one 3,500-pound axle. It does also come with the 15-inch wheels and tires. This does have a spring-assisted loading ramp. Here we have the light switch that does go to the LED lights. This has an internal height of 6 feet. It's made of heavy-duty plywood walls and flooring. This does also come with a passenger side entry door. This does have vents built in. There are 2 of them. They are wired with LED drive lights. Once again, that is the 7x12 white enclosed trailer with Blackout package.